Hello, I'm Ervin Erős. I would like to sum up my speech that I had in the morning. And if I would have to be quick, what is the future of cross-border cooperation in Europe? I would like to say that the future of cross-border cooperation is just in front of us because we have an initiative that is really focusing on the citizens and the provision of better services to the citizens. And in the same time, I think it has a strategic vision and the strategic documents behind it, strategic planning and integrated territorial investment plan, which is quite unique in the whole Europe. And it has also 2 pilot projects that are also one of a kind. So I think this is actually what is the future of cross-border cooperation, a strategic approach, strategic vision, but centered or focused on the citizens and the provision of better services. I think that would be, if I would need to sum up, that would be a sum up of my speech in the morning. Thank you.